Hi, in this video I'm going to continue the process of sculpting the body of the black rhino, and as always I'm going to try to make changes in proportions. It's a fighting with to put in the right places the body, the forms, and at the same time I'm trying to refine even better. So let's begin with this. If the Rygaard draw soft, I will make this indentation, this transition better. Here is the side view. I'm going to change the move brush, and I will move this back a little bit. I have to change here the thoracic, the direction of the thoracic bone. So now I'm going to make more changes here. In the top view, I need to I'm going to try here with low depth. I'm going to widen this leg a little bit here because I think it's too thin yet. And if needed, as I'm sculpting here in the refinement, I make this better. So at the moment I think it's possible to leave this. And one more time, I'm going to use the Rygaard balloon, the same that I expand the or wider the leg, and just a little bit here. I'm going to again, I have to make this very gradually, expand this. I'm going to change to the Rygaard balloon again, and I want to inflate this just a little bit here. It's like inflate, right? But it's just to close this area here. So if the Rygaard fold strong, I will make another folds here. Again, Rygaard fold strong. Let me try here. So I'm going to change here to Rygaard fold and change it to Rygaard draw soft and try to make this a little bit more with weight. The fold is very weight here. So change to Rygaard fingertip and now change it to Rygaard dot and sculpt a little bit here, this region here, the back, the gluteus. Because I'm preparing this area to make the tail. I have to make a much better job here. For now, I'm going to worry about to create the tail with Rygaard clay fill too. I'm going to make this tail a little bit. I will change it to the movie brush, and with remove stretching feature activated, I'm going to grow this tail with care to not damage around the areas here, and with move degree with a more strong value, I'm going to push this and make my way until it's at the right place. Of course, it's thinner, but the most important is to have the mesh first. And change here to the Rygaard balloon again and make this more wider, right? Now I'm going to stop this video and I will continue in the next one. Thank you very much.